Hello, everyone!
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
Today, we will learn how to order food in English.
Yes, very simple, very useful. You can use this in real life.
If you like easy English, please like and subscribe.
Okay, David, I am hungry. Let's go to a restaurant.
Haha, me too. Okay, let's practice.
Excuse me, I would like a burger, please.
Good. Very nice sentence. I would like a burger, please.
I would like a burger, please.
Great. You can also say, can I get a burger, please?
Oh, nice. Can I get a burger, please?
Perfect.
David, what do you want?
I would like a pizza and water.
Oh, pizza. Good choice.
Now you try. What do you want?
Say it with us. I would like, please.
Say it slowly.
Very good. You are learning.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food?
Yes, we are hungry.
See you next time!